Today, I'm going to show my microphone setup for YouTube videos, so let's get started. So starting from microphone, this is SHURE's SM7B. Lately, this is really iconic for YouTube videos. Although this microphone is intended to use closely to bring up bass. For YouTube video, I'm intentionally taking away from this microphone about 30 cm to bring up some treble and less bassy sound. I'm moving to the EQ of microphone. I'm using bass cutoff and treble boost. Then let's move on to the next section. I'm using Triton Audio's microphone preamp. This is to boost the signal before microphone preamp, and FET head brings up the signal about 27 dB. Moving to the next section, DBX 286. Due to the fact that this microphone preamp is really clean, so lately I think you don't need any FET head and cloud lifter because latest microphone preamps are good enough to bring up the signal of SHURE SM7B. The input gain is at 12 o'clock. This is because I'm bring up signal by head about 27 dB. So if you don't have one, all you have to do is to turn knob this to about 5 or 4 o'clock. The drive is at 3. Density is at 6. I think this is good enough for compressor. And it is important to keep gain reduction about 2 or 3. And moving to de-esser, I'm using at 4K and the threshold is about 1. Basically, I'm not using this section. Then let's go to enhancer. My LF detail is at 2 and HF detail at 3. But if you don't like bring up any low and high, all you have to do is to turn this knob to 0. Last one is expander and gate section, and I'm using this as gate to reduce noise, and the threshold is about at 9 o'clock, and the ratio is at 230. And to adjust gate, so all you have to do is to adjust threshold to your level. And finally to the output, my output level is all the way down to 0. It is because I'm directly connecting this audio to my camera. So I'm actually converting a stereo phone jack to mini jack, and it goes directly to my camera. And the audio finally goes to my EOS-R. The audio input gain is at 0.5. And it is important to avoid peak. If the signal is too loud, you have to turn down the audio input level. So this is my SHURE SM7B setup. Hope you find some tips from this video. Thanks as always. See you in next video. Bye.